If you want to unrestrict someone on Messenger, this quick step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to remove restriction on Facebook Messenger. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Then, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the menu option. Next, tap on Settings at the top. Now, scroll down and select Privacy and Safety. This is where all your Messenger privacy settings are located. After that, find and tap on Restricted Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of all the people you've restricted on Messenger. Now, simply tap on the person you want to unrestrict. Scroll down, and you'll see the option to unrestrict. Tap on it, and that's it. Once you remove restriction on Messenger, they will be able to message you normally again, and their chats will reappear in your main inbox. So yeah, that's how you can easily unrestrict someone on Messenger. If you like it, please do not forget to like it for more tips.